Welcome to AD Photo Editor. I'll demonstrate how to quickly find an account and add a photo in just a few simple steps. At the top of the interface, you can see your current connection information, the active domain, and a user account you're using to connect to Active Directory. Start by entering an employee ID in the search field. The default search settings work perfectly for most situations. You can press F3 to focus the search box. Enter the employee ID and press Enter or click the search button. Search results appear in this grid. You can navigate through multiple results using the arrow keys. The checkmark indicates accounts that already have photos. Click on the account you want to work with. If there's an existing photo, it will appear in the right panel. To add a new photo, click Load New Photo and browse to select an image file from your computer. To reduce the image size, enter smaller dimensions in the width and height fields, then click Apply. This helps meet Active Directory size limits. Click Save Changes to upload the photo to Active Directory. You can also use the Ctrl+S shortcut to save. A confirmation message appears when the photo is successfully saved. That's it. You successfully found an account and added a photo in just a few simple steps using AD Photo Editor. Now that you've seen how to perform a basic search and edit photos, let's explore the advanced search options in AD Photo Editor. These powerful features allow you to narrow down results with precision, locate specific groups of users, and manage photos more efficiently across your entire organization. AD Photo Editor offers comprehensive search filters. Account type lets you search for user accounts or contact objects. Photo filter narrows results to all accounts, only accounts with photos, or only accounts without photos. Container selection lets you limit your search to specific organizational units. The Exclude Disabled Accounts option filters out disabled user accounts. Search attribute lets you choose which AD attribute to search in, like common name, username, email, and more. Let's search for a user. I'll select users as account type, only accounts with photos for photo filter, and search by last name. Type your search term and press Enter or click Search. Search results appear in this grid. You can see detailed information for each account, including name, username, photo status, and photo size. A checkmark indicates accounts with existing photos. When you select an account, its current photo appears on the right panel. The same image initially appears in the New Photo section where you'll make your edits. To add a new photo or replace an existing one, click Load New Photo and select an image file. AD Photo Editor supports common formats like JPG, PNG, and BMP. AD Photo Editor offers several editing tools. Resize the photo by specifying dimensions. Adjust JPEG quality to control file size. Rotate the image if needed. You can even add a text watermark. Each change is applied immediately to the preview. When you're satisfied with the photo, click Save Changes to upload it to Active Directory. The system will confirm when the photo has been successfully saved to the user's account. That's how easy it is to find accounts and manage their photos with AD Photo Editor. These tools make photo management in Active Directory simple and efficient.